Hello, grade 5. Today we will complete our topic multiply decimal by whole numbers. Look at this example. I want to multiply 2.8 times 7. I will follow the steps. Step number 1. Write the problem vertically. 2.8 times 7. Step number 2. Ignore the decimal point and multiply. 7 times 8 equals 56. I'll write 6 and carry 5. 7 times 2 equals 14. 14 plus 5 equals 19. Step number 3. Write the decimal point in the correct place. I will look at the factors. 2.8 in this factor, the decimal point after one decimal place. At 7, none. There is no decimal point. So, in the product, the decimal point we will write the decimal point after one decimal place. So, the answer it will be 19.6. That means 2.8 times 7 equals 19.6. Example 2. I want to multiply 2.43 times 7. Write the problem vertically and start to ignore the decimal and multiply. 7 times 3 equals 21. I will write 1 and carry 2. 7 times 4 equals 28. Plus 2 equals 30. Write 0 and carry 3. 7 times 2 equals 14. Plus 3 equals 17. Now I'll try to find the correct place of the decimal point. At the factor, the decimal point after two decimal places. So, and the other factor, none. There is no decimal point. So, the decimal point at the product, it will mark off after two decimal places. So, the answer it will be 17.01. We will answer problem solving from your textbook. One large banana contains 2.4 grams of protein. How many grams of protein will a dozen large bananas contain? In this problem solving, I know one large banana contains 2.4 gram, and I want to find how many grams of protein will a dozen large bananas contain. Dozen equals 12. So, to find how many grams of protein will a dozen large bananas contain, that means I will find how many grams of protein will a 12 large bananas contain. So, to answer this question, I will multiply 12 because I have dozen times 2.4. To answer this question, I will write the problem vertically, ignore the decimal point, and multiply. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 1 equals 4. To multiply the next digit, I will write 0 as a placeholder. Then start to multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 1 equals 2. To find the product, I will add the partial products. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And I will write 2. Now I will try to find where I should write the decimal point. At the first vector, there is no decimal point. At the second vector, the decimal point after one decimal place. So I will mark off the decimal point after one decimal place in the product. The answer will be 28.8 grams. 28.8 grams. I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you, grade 5.